Hi, this is my second task of week 1, which is task 1.2. In this task, I was asked to present my data in SQL and perform some queries. So, first of all, the main task was to import the data from Excel sheet to the SQL because the task data was given in an Excel file. First of all, I just converted that file into an CSV file because SQL only accepts CSV files and other, not the Excel file, not the Excel type file. So I saved that file, that Excel file as c.csv extension. So then I just import that file. First of all, I created a database, a new database, which was named as, you can see, Superstore, and make sure that I have used Superstore, which allows my database to be used in and the database is connected. So then I create the table which was orders, and in this I use row ID as the primary key because primary key is necessary for any of the table. So I make the row ID because it is unique and it is the highest priority to be the primary key. Then I import all the fields that was given in the CSV file and make the headings so that these are the headings, or these are all the attributes of the order table. After making the table and saving it and run the query, I just load the CSV file into that table. It was done by these line of code. I simply type load data in file and type the path and name of the CSV file that I have to load in that SQL. After providing the correct path and into table, this is the statement that I use to import all data of the CSV file into my SQL file. So this is the total syntax. These selected lines are the syntax of importing any data from a CSV file to your SQL database. So let's move toward the task that I was given. So the first task was to select all the records from the table orders in which the category was furniture. For that, I just this is the query. This is the query which we run, and I will show you that I select it and then click on that execute statement under the keyboard cursor, and here is all the records of the order table which are against the category furniture. So you can see that these are all the records. And my second task was to find the sum of to find the sales by category. Means that we have three categories that are the number one category is furniture and so on. So we have to calculate the sum according to that category. So I use the group by statement and calculated the sum as the total sales. So I will display the result. This was the result. This this category like furniture, office supplies and technology, and these are the total sales according to these categories. And let's move toward the third task. The third task was to average of the sales by the region. So I used again group by statement and calculated the sales average against the all regions. I will show you the result. First of all, select all the statement and click that, and you here it is, region south, and this is the average sale in the south region. This is the average sale of west region, central region, and similarly the east region. So these were the three tasks. In the fourth task, I was asked to create a new table called customers and perform a join in which the customer ID is similar. So I created a table called customer, here it is, and inserted the some of the data in that customer table, and then I performed a join. And I because in the task I was asked to show all the data, all the record that was of the customer that gives us information of the customers. So I just perform a join and selected all these that are customer ID, customer name, segment, city, country, state, postal code, etc. that dignifies the information of the customer. So I just selected those and perform a join, and I joined on the base of the region. So you can see that if I perform select this and perform execution, so this is the result in which I get the information of all the customers. So that was all my tasks, and I have also done the documentation of my task, which would be attached in the file. So thank you.